tuck this behind my ear, you guys will get like that nice natural effect. Like, look at that. It's giving natural. It's giving, you know, popping hairline. Guys, so this is the finished look of today's hair video. So shout out to Megalook for sending me this wig. This is one of their breathable caps. So this time around, this is a longer inch, guys. This is 30 inches long, and this is a 13x4 lace frontal cap. So in today's video, I kind of showed you guys how I cut the lace, how I did everything. A very clean install, guys, only using the Even Wonder Lace spray. Now this unit does come with an adjustable strap, guys, and the cap is very breathable. I did show you guys the inner construction of the cap. So this unit is very lightweight, guys. They did send me 2 combs that I can go ahead and add to the unit myself, but I opted not using it just because the adjustable strap, if you put it all the way to the end, it is actually very, very secure in your head. So this unit is very pretty, guys. It did come to me in a body wave texture, so all I did was go ahead and amplify the curls up per usual. One thing I would recommend when it comes to longer lengths like this, like 26 to 30 inches, 34 inches, is to use flexi rods with the hair if you want to do like a curled style. I did go ahead and use flexi rods overnight on it just to kind of see what it gave. Obviously with longer hair like this, especially the 30 inch, the hair is just kind of be a little bit more looser than the curls at the top of the frontal part, but I just went in with the flexi rods and I was able to kind of hold the solid curl to it, and you go in and touch it up with your curling iron just to make sure everything looks very flawless. So you guys can see that the hair looks very pretty, guys. I will stand up and show you guys the length of it. 30 inches, true 30 inches. Like you guys can see, I did go ahead and do like a little bit of a light curl to it. I did add like a nice layer in the front of this unit as well too, guys, just because I wanted it to all kind of not be one length and kind of have dimensions to it. So on the front right here, you'll see that the hair is kind of cut a little bit, and on the sides right here, just to kind of frame my face and give you guys more of a nice kind of natural effect. Now I did go ahead and do baby hair magic only on this side right here. So on this side, you won't see any sideburns or anything. I added like a little baby hair right here just for accent underneath the bang. But because I'm doing this as a side part unit, I wanted to kind of keep it clean and fresh on that side. You're not really going to see that side that much. But I did go ahead and show you guys its capabilities so you can go ahead and do some baby hair magic on this unit. I did one right here and one right here just to kind of pull the hair through to make it look very natural. So even if I go ahead and tuck this behind my ear, you guys will get like that nice natural effect. Like, look at that. It's giving natural, it's giving, you know, popping hairline. So I think the unit is very pretty, guys. It's very lightweight as well too, so it's very, very not heavy at all on my head or anything like that. So you guys can see that it's like a nice finished look. So this is definitely a type of style that I like for the fall season and winter season. I love like a dark, you know, curled style, middle part style, jet black, whatever it is. This is a natural color. I don't think I would turn this into a jet black color, but I do like a nice buff type of curl set look for the winter season and the fall season. So I think going in with a 30 inch is definitely a way to start the season off. If you want to, you can go ahead and split this down in the middle part and do like a nice, you know, clean, sleek middle part, but I decided to go ahead and do a curved part because I haven't really been doing that in a while, and I figured let me go ahead and do it with this unit just because of the length of this unit, and because it's so long, I wanted to show you guys that the hair does curl, so you can still get like a little bit of a curl, but like I said, recommendations for this longer length would be to use flexi rods and use a good amount in the back, stack them up, and then when you take it out, you'll see the volume and you'll still see the wave pattern, stuff like that. You just go in and amplify with your curling iron. So yeah, so this is the finished look, guys. Hopefully the install portion was very detailed. I kept it very simple with you guys. I just used the Even Wonder lace, took my time, and was able to melt this unit down very nicely. The hairline on this unit is very pretty, guys, very natural and crisp. It is a 13x4 HD lace frontal wig, guys, so this is what you're gonna get. All I did was add a little bit of my face powder on the parting space just to kind of, you know, make it look really, really seamless. And that was that, guys. So I will leave all the information down below per usual, guys. Shout out to Megalooks for sponsoring today's video, and I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.